All right, so we're moving. Hey, intersection. We got a Grom, not a high CC bike. We can't accelerate very hard. Green light for us. It's not always green light though, right? Is that what we're doing? What's the issue? Oh my gosh. Non-issue galore.
Hey, you know you ran that red light back there.
Yeah, I committed.
You know I got that on camera too.
Okay.
There's a cop sitting right there. So if I was a real just call you in because you almost hit me when you blew through that light.
Almost hit him when he blew through that red light. Well, let's take a look. I can't reach. Can somebody get me a stool? Oh, thank you. I'm gray on gray, everybody. Almost hit him. Almost hit him, everybody. Holy crap, guys. This was this was so close. I almost want to consider this just a straight crash. That was so close. Oh my gosh. Damn, dude. Oh. Oh man, blown away. Hope he gets him. Class, I hope he just.
Hey, you know you ran that red light back there.
Yeah, I committed.
You know I got that on camera too.
Oh, did they?
There's a cop sitting right there. So if I was a real just call you in because you almost hit me when you blew through that light.
I'm so sorry, I didn't mean to do that.
You don't see it though when you're trying to blow the light, right? You don't
Right,
see
I'm
stuff
sorry.
like that.
Yeah,
If there would have been a bike on the right coming out right, you might have killed him, man.